Carson. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bailey. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Bailey. You're 5 years old. Make a wish. Pull out the candles. Whoa. Good job.
Yay! Good job.
Would you make a wish for each candle?
Carson, can you go give your sister a hug? Go give her a birthday hug. You hurt her.
Oh, tell her you're sorry.
Say give her a hurt one. Give her a nice one. Tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You said sorry. Happy birthday, Bailey. Happy whiplash. You okay? Yeah.